Alright, we're just here with the DEKS new exclusive formula. It's just like a repair clay for any holes or anything. So we've just got a hole in the copper pipe there. See the water leaking. So we're just going to dry and sand the area, make sure it's nice and clean. Now we've allowed time for it to fully cure, and we've got no leaks. So we've also got a wet surface one for when it can't be dried, and they've got concrete, wood, metal, all sorts of types, but brand new, exclusive.